Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a year, but today I'm going to be showing you how to make this mushroom pasta in just under 20 minutes. And it's loaded with really yummy, buttery, garlicky mushrooms. Just look at how good it looks. This recipe is so easy. It only requires 5 ingredients. First up, we have mushrooms, which are nicely diced up, and then we have garlic, just a little bit of garlic, and then we also have onions, which I've chopped up in a chopper, and then we have mozzarella cheese. You can honestly use any cheese that you want, and then we have this pasta spirals. So honestly, I feel like fettuccine would be a better option, but we didn't have that at home, so I used those. So you can mix and match with these ingredients. So firstly, in a pan, add some butter onto it, get the butter to melt, and also add some oil onto it. Now we're going to add the garlic in and let it cook until it's nice and golden. Keep stirring it in between so you don't burn the garlic. Once the garlic is this golden, we're just going to add the onions in. After mixing the onions, add the mushrooms and keep sure to mix it here and there. While the mushroom is cooking, we're also going to prepare the pasta. So in a pan of boiling water, add some salt in it and then add some oil and then your desired pasta. Into the mushrooms, I'm going to add some all-purpose flour and just mix it all in. Now add some milk and let it cook. The best thing about this recipe is that you don't need specific measurements or anything, just eyeball it and it will be fine. Now we can add some of that mozzarella cheese, and if you want you can use other cheese. For the spices, I'm using oregano and some pepper, but you can obviously add more spices based on your taste. Once the pasta is around 85% cooked, you can transfer it from the pan to the sauce and just wait for a couple of minutes until the sauce just fully covers up the pasta and also when the sauce actually thickens up a little bit. I'm also going to write down all the ingredients that I used in the description down below so you can use that as reference whenever. At the end, you can also add some cheese on top, and now it's time to plate it. So after plating it, I also put some chili flakes on top for extra flavor. And if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also comment down below if you tried it. I love to know when people actually try my videos. It's actually so cool. And let me know what other videos I should make next.